Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 6 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, someone who understands. Its laws of this lesson are change the gender of the nouns. Look at the page number 23 here. We have a grammar portion here, masculine and feminine nouns. I hope you are familiar with it and learned in your previous class too. Let's discuss what is gender first. What is a gender? Gender indicates whether a person or an animal is male or female. It in both groups, and the male separately and the female separately. Now look at here. What are the masculine nouns? Masculine noun words used for men, boys, and male animals like rooster, landlord, etc. Nephew. These are the example of masculine noun. Uncle, husband, brother, cock, which is the same, rooster, horse. These are the examples of masculine noun here. Now look at the feminine nouns. Words used for women, girls and female animals like hen, landlady, like wife, mother, niece, aunt, tigress, etc. Now look at the common gender here. What is a common gender? Many nouns are used for both males and female. It doesn't have any gender. It's a common gender. Like we can both use for male and female here. Like doctor, it can be used for men and women both. Dancer, parents, etc. Let me give you some example of common noun. Students, baby, parents, lawyers, teachers, reporters. There are so many. Now look at the neuter nouns. Neuter nouns, words for things that are neither male or nor female, are called neuter nouns like ball, building, forest, chair, road, mountain, book, paper, pencil, computer. These are all the examples of neuter noun. Now look at the exercise here. For each sentence we have 4 options here and we have to choose the right one for each sentence. What is the masculine of niece here? Yes, we have discussed it in examples. Nephew. What is the masculine of queen here? The masculine noun. This is the feminine noun. These are all the feminine noun here. These two both are feminine noun. What will be the masculine noun of it? Yes, queen belongs to king. Look at the third one. What is the feminine of prince here? This is the masculine prince here. What will be the feminine noun here? Yes, princess. And what is the feminine of a husband? This is a masculine noun, husband. Yes, wife here. What is the masculine of bride here? Yes, bridegroom. What is the feminine of tiger? Yes, we have discussed it. Yes, tigress. This is the right spelling here. What is the masculine of cow here? This is the feminine. What will be the masculine of it? It's here. Yes, bull. What is the masculine of madam here? Yes, sir. What is the feminine of steward here? Yes, stewardess here. What is the feminine of uncle here? This is very easy. We have discussed it. Yes, aunt or auntie here. Now look at here, page number 14. Make a table in your notebook with the headings of masculine, feminine, common and gender and neuter and write each word in the box under its correct heading. What you have to do, you have to separate all these nouns given here in the category of masculine, feminine, common and neuter noun here. Let me do some for you. Children here is the common gender here. It can be used both for male and female. Mother is a feminine noun. Yes. Son is a neuter noun. It has no gender. Leaf is a neuter noun. Yes. Dancer is a common gender here. I hope you can do others too in your notebook. This is your homework from summer pack. This is also, we have an activity here. Find the people of different gender from your environment and classify them into masculine and feminine noun here. And this is your home task from your textbook. Find out the masculine, feminine, common and neuter nouns from your Unit 2. Read your Unit 2 and identify all these gender and noun from your Unit 2 text. Dear student, I hope you can do it very easily because we have learned the concept of all these nouns here. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.